Hello friends, today welcome into my new vlog. Subscribe my channel. Wow, I found these toys very dirty. Oh, in my garden found. Oh, I cannot recognize what it is. Oh, let's put this into the bucket. And this one cannot recognize what it is. Pick from there in the bucket, and then we will wash it, and then found what it is. These are my little toys, very dirty. There was a flood tonight, last night, little flood. These are very dirty in the flood. Collecting these. Wow. Oh no, these are very dirty. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Can you recognize what is this? Mention this in the comments before I wash it. Stop the video, write in the comment from where you are watching. Let's pick these toys. Going to wash these. Oh wow, these are very dirty. I am here. Some water in the tub. I will wash these toys and load into the truck. Oh no. Wow. Wow. Water is totally dirty. So much dirt in the toys. Oh wow. Wow, green army truck. Wow. Let's load in the loader truck and pick it and wash it in the water. Oh, so much dirty. Why will you go out from home without my permission? Wow. Wow. Very clean now. It's a lovely one. The boat on the car. Wow. Lovely one. Put it on this truck. Wow. Now wash this. Too much dirty. Wow, dear friends, like my channel, subscribe my channel, share to your friends. Wow, red car, little one now, very beautiful. Wow. Wow, load it into the truck. Putting this into the water. Oh wow. Wow, tanker, army tanker. I don't like wars. Oh, but washing it, loading into the truck. Wow. Now pick this one. Too much dirty. Oh no, dear friends, washing it. Wow. Wow. Oh, there's a little dirt on the side mirrors. No. Oh wow, totally clean. Wow, tire bus. Wow. Picking it up. Can you recognize it? What type of this car is? Oh, let's wash it. Oh, wow, silver color car. Little dirt there. I will wash it. Going to clean it. Wow. Loading on the truck. Water is too dirty now. Picking this one. Too much dirty. Dear friends, let's wash it. Oh wow. Wow, all star. Wow. Don't slip from my hand. Oh, load it on the truck. No place there. Oh, this is fallen down. Let's make place for this. Oh, yes. Picking this one. Little one. This is going to be clean today. Oh, washing. Free service today. Wow. Lovely car. Putting there. No place for you. I will make a place for you. No place. Oh, I will make you place on the truck. Oh no, why are you falling down? Please stay there. Oh, yes. Wow, picking this one. I will wash it. Dear friends, like my channel, like my videos, subscribe it, share with your friends, and we will wash more toys. We'll make more videos. Your subscription will be my motivation for making more videos. So wow, lovely toy. Wow. Oh, make a place for it. No place, no tension. Oh wow, I will put you there. Oh wow, 2 more toys in the bucket. Let's wash it. Oh wow. Oh, luxury brush. Oh, little dirt there. Let's wash it. Wash it. Oh, make it like new one. No. Wow. Oh, lovely. Oh, stay there. Oh, wow. The last one in the bucket. Let's wash it. Can you recognize it? What is this? Oh, you will recognize it. Our washing. After washing, let's wash it. Too much water is dirty. Oh, little dirt there. I think this is JCB. JCB. Little dirt there. I will wash it clean. Make it clean. Make it like newer one. Or the owner of this will be angry with me. Oh, washed it. Let's put it there. Now we will move this truck to its destination.